reduces the consumption of fossil fuels, the main cause of global climate change. Solar energy is a clean energy source available in abundance everywhere. This is why Solar France, a company run by Mario and Andrei Polansky, develops, designs and builds photovoltaic power plants incorporated into buildings, an innovative solution enabling large-scale electric power generation. Solar France has developed the SunStyle system, a roofing system composed of high-performance, long-lasting and attractive photovoltaic tiles. The multifunctional system meets very high standards of functionality, performance and durability both for power generation and the requirements of conventional roofs. The roofing system comprises square tiles whose diagonals overlap from top to bottom. These are attached to the underlying load-bearing structure comprising watertight fixings and special tiles for the finishing of the edges. Easy to install and as resistant and accessible as a traditional roof, SunStyle replaces traditional roofs which can be entirely covered with photovoltaic tiles, skylight tiles and standard tiles of the same type where required. SunStyle is composed of a building material specially developed and certified, and the structure's exoskeleton absorbs all the longitudinal, lateral, transversal and vibratory movements of the framework. The tiles are interconnected with electric cables which lead to the inverters, where the produced continuous current is transformed into alternating current, then directed to a delivery station where it becomes injected into the power grid. Water tightness, impact resistance and wind resistance have been the subject of laboratory tests by independent teams from the CSTB, the French government's Scientific and Technical Centre for Buildings. The results, which are very positive, prove that SunStyle is fully watertight, withstands strong winds and hail as well as vibrations caused by earthquakes. Solar France has developed the world's largest building integrated photovoltaic solar power plant, which was implemented at the St. Charles International Site in Perpignan.
Nous sommes à Saint-Charles, la première plateforme européenne de transport et de distribution de fruits et légumes en Europe, 1 500 000 tonnes. Nous avons décidé de remplacer nos vieilles toitures en évérite pour y mettre des tuiles photovoltaïques, donc produire de l'électricité que nous vendons à EDF bien évidemment. Et ceci s'inscrit dans notre politique de développement durable et dans les objectifs du Grenelle de l'environnement, c'est-à-dire d'arriver à ce que Perpignan soit une ville à énergie positive.
A total surface of 70,000 square meters of the old roofs of the platform for fruit and vegetables was replaced with the SunStyle roofing system. 97,000 very attractive tiles manufactured in Europe replaced the corrugated roofs. The 9 megawatt St. Charles solar power plant produces more than 9,400 megawatt hours of electricity per year.
Alors on a cherché un site par satellite avec Google Earth. On a découvert qu'ici il y a vraiment une énorme quantité de toits. Et puis on est venu frapper à la porte et M. Jordan nous a accueillis très chaleureusement. On a effectivement pu convaincre tous les propriétaires de nous donner les toitures pour pouvoir exploiter les toitures pour une durée de 25-30 ans. On peut prouver que ce projet est un projet pilote pour le monde parce qu'on peut voir qu'avec de très jolies tuiles, on arrive à produire une énorme quantité d'électricité.
In due course, the SunStyle roof at the Perpignan site will allow Solar France to produce enough power to supply a city with a population of 10,000 inhabitants. In addition to the renewable energy benefits for our environment, the projects developed by Solar France generate an important number of jobs. The development of renewable energy has become a necessity, and energy supplied by the sun offers an almost unlimited potential in our built environment worldwide. By designing and developing photovoltaic systems and projects, Solar France has resolutely committed to a solution for our future demand for renewable